This is Patapat Patapat Bridge.
You love me tomorrow, and don't take.
Hi everyone, this is Sen. Welcome to my channel's Essy's Vlog. And guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to touch the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you will be notified. And sa mga bago kong subscribers, salamat po sa inyo at sa mga patuloy po na sumusuporta sa aking channel, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And guys, itong ating video ngayon ay makikita po natin ang Patapat Bridge na matatagpuan po sa Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. And this was taken last May during my vacation.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
And now guys, we move to another place. Here they call it Paraiso ni Anton. And makikita po natin dito guys yung napakalinaw, napakalinis at napakalamig po na tubig. Dumadaloy po sa bundok. Guys, napakasarap po yung tubig nila. Parang matamis-tamis siya kasi sinubukan kong uminom. And according sa nabasa ko dito guys, yung tubig daw nakakagamot. I don't know if totoo po yun. And itatanong ko po sa aking kaibigan na taga-Pagudpud kung totoo po yun. And I don't know also kung bakit po tinawag nila na Paraiso ni Anton. Dahil ang pangalan niya is Paraiso ni Anton. And hindi ko alam kung bakit, kaya itatanong po natin lahat yan sa aking kaibigan para alam ko po. And eto guys, maganda pong tanawin dito. Isa sa mga tourist destination din po ng Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, ang Paraiso ni Anton. And talaga naman po guys na napakalamig po ditong lugar na ito. Ang sarap po sigurong tumira dito guys kasi libre na yung aircon. At di ka na rin gagamit ng electric fan siguro. And itong place na ito guys is pagitan po ng dalawang bundok. Yung isang bundok guys is medyo maliit lang siya. And ito yung nakikita nyo dyan. And then itong isa guys is yan yung malaking bundok na dumadaloy lang yung tubig dyan. And sobrang namangha ako sa lamig. At saka malinis yung tubig. Talagang natural water siya guys. Walang halong daig pa ng mineral dito. So,
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So ito na yung aming isa sa mga destination na napasyalan namin guys. Para sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you will be notified. And maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa mga nagko-comment, sa mga nag-share, and sa mga bago kong subscriber. Nawa po ay patuloy niyo po akong subaybayan at patuloy niyo pong panoorin ang aking mga ina-upload na video. And maraming salamat again and God bless everyone. Bye!
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading